Small Business Administration, SBA. The Small Business Administration, SBA, website is a tremendous help to small businesses in the US. It has several resources that can help businesses get started successfully and can even help you find a mentor if you want some extra help. The SBA has access to useful data to help gauge your market. It is beyond the scope of this report to go into all the resources and datasets that the SBA contains. However, you can find a great starting point. They have several resources that report business statistics. Next up, why competition can be good for your business.